Running is a polarizing form of exercise. Some find it mind clearing and some find it almost addictive. Others find it has a passion and some find it they would only agree to run when chased. Everyone knows that running is a great way to get into shape, but it also can benefit almost every part of your body and lift your mood. The benefits are undeniable. The next time you are thinking of skipping a run, think of these reasons to get your butt out the door. 1. Keeping your blood sugar in control. A study observed 51% reduction in hemoglobin A1C values in runners. This is a significant improvement. The results were even better for the group that combined aerobic exercise with weight training. If you already have diabetes, regular running will reduce the risk of diabetes related heart attacks to 20% and eye or kidney damage to 40%. Another review of multiple studies found that diabetes patients can control blood sugar and depression via exercise. 2. You are living a healthy lifestyle. Running will gradually affect and improve your diet and lifestyle habits. You will manage to cut down your booze intake and avoid having those heavy drinking periods. Another study found that the exercise group managed to make healthy changes to their drinking habits. 3. You are keeping your heart healthy. Running just 7 to 14 miles a week can keep your cholesterol levels in check. By running, you will be adhering to American Heart Association recommendation of 150 minutes physical activity to maintain healthy blood pressure. Training for your first marathon can reverse age by 4 years younger after a few months of long distance running. Running has significantly reduced the chances of heart attacks, stroke, and other serious complications. If you were living a sedentary lifestyle, just 6 months of running or exercise will result in 30% reduction in C reactive protein. 4. You are more intelligent. Running results in a kind of connectivity that allows your brain to have higher level thoughts. There is another study that shows high impact running can improve learning. It is easier to focus on challenging tasks. You are more comfortable taking up and managing projects that requires attention to details. Daily exercise can significantly improve your ability to make decisions on exercise, and exercise results in 70% improvement in ability to make complex decisions. 5. You are mentally relaxed. Running prepares you to cope with daily stress and challenges without getting panicked. You will stop overthinking and feel more relaxed. This is because running can immediately reduce the activity in frontal cortex. This makes running the simplest and the healthiest way to break free from the daily grind. Running also helps with anxiety disorder and panic attacks. Scientists use the carbon dioxide challenge test to determine the connection between anxiety sensitivity and physical activity. They found that more physically active people were less likely to panic in fearful situations, even if they have anxiety sensitivity. 6. You are runner's high. Running can elevate your mood like recreational drugs because it stimulates the same pleasure and reward receptors. This is the reason many addiction therapies include a lot of exercise. Running triggers production of endocannabinoids that makes you happier and more focused. Researchers found that exercise improves mood and creativity independently of each other. 7. You are not overweight. Many people gain unnecessary weight by the time they reach 40. That becomes a breeding ground for problems like diabetes, obesity, or depression. You can manage to keep these problems at bay by running. Another common problems in the 40s or 50s is poor bone health and osteoporosis. 1 in 3 women suffer from osteoporosis fracture after the age of 50. Luckily, your legs, knees, and backs are stronger than your contemporaries. You can considerably improve your bone health through running. Running strengthens your core muscles too. These muscles are responsible for supporting your stomach and spine. 8. You are sleeping like a baby. Running will help you sleep more easily and quickly. It will also improve the time and quality of your sleep. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine has found that regular exercise like running can improve the quality of your sleep and help you sleep through the night.